Today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So, first you have to fold it in half. Like this. Then you will have to fold it in half like this. Then you put all corners in. Like this. Then you flip it over, put all corners in like this. Then you fold it like this. You have to do this and then pop it with your chin. And that's how to make a fortune teller. And sometimes you'll just have to do this a while and it'll become a good fortune teller. And then point the tops. Tuck this in. And it becomes a good fortune teller.